Watch till the end to know the better opportunities we have to apply for internships. So what do you think about internships? What comes to your mind when it comes to internships? So the first thing you need to remember is internships come for some particular duration of the company's requirement, based on the company's requirement. There are 3 sets of internship durations. Number 1 is from late December to February, and number 2 is from March to August. Number 3 is September to early December. So we have these 3 sets of internship duration time. For this internship period, recruiters will start recruiting before 2 months of this period. Let's say if you have the internship from September to early December, they'll start recruiting in the July and August. For the internship of July to September, you have to start searching just before the month of June or something. For some of the designers, it might be a problem that to choose between a large companies and the small companies for the internships. So large companies, you can work with a larger team. You get to know about a particular product and some specific features. You don't get a chance to work on a larger perspective. Maybe you have to work on very specific things there. And when it comes to smaller companies, you might be you have to work because you might be one of the important person working in several designs, and some of the deliveries will be expected from you. Smaller efforts can make a larger effect in a small company. If you are a job seeker, you know what I'm talking about. Attending lots of interviews, the pressure, etc. to get a job. It bothers people more when they have the right skill set but hard to find a job. But don't worry anymore. With Hirect, you can find a job easily. Yes, you heard it right. It's a direct hiring platform. You can directly chat with the team leaders and the HR managers and get hired. That too without any middlemen. Don't wait anymore. Try Hirect now. More than 150k companies are already hiring there. So to find a job, you don't have to do anything. Just click the link in the description below and install the application. Then create a profile by answering the given questions. The algorithm of the app will match you automatically with the relevant job profiles. Also, don't worry about the data privacy because Hirect never shares your personal details with any recruiters without your permission. So click on the link in the description box and switch to the job that you always wanted on Hirect.
Hirect எப்பவுமே direct தான்.
When it comes to paid and unpaid internships, it is fully based on the company, and compensation may also vary based on the industry that you are going to work on or your domain, which domain you are going to implement your design skills on, and also the level of experience you have. Keep that in mind. This is the investment in your career. So having an internship experience, even though if it's unpaid, can help you to negotiate a higher salary in the upcoming companies that you're applying for as a full-time job. Before getting into all this, we have some random questions in our head. Of course, we'll be having that. What experience are needed to land on a UX designer internship? Undoubtedly, experience. So how to enter into a design industry as an intern? No experience or a little experience. So how to do that? 3 things are required. Number 1 is portfolio, 2 is resume, and the third one is cover letter. For the portfolio, don't try to do any dummy projects. Try to solve a real-time problem that is existing, and then try explaining in a way that try to explain in a way in your portfolio that how you have came up with. Just don't show the before and after of the application. You just start with the process, show your research, show off all your works that you have done for it, and then finally come to the solution. So that's how you build a story towards your portfolio, based on what you have solved and what you have sorted and what you have come up with. So that is the one thing which is really important. You can include 3 to 5 case studies, which is really taken your hard work. The next one is resume. I have already posted a video on how to create a resume and a cover letter. Please refer that and try to include those things in your cover letter and the resume also. It should be personalized. Resume can be formal, but the cover letter should be personalized based on the company. But currently the demand is high and people have started learning more about UX. In the future also the demand will be more high. So try to get an opportunity now itself so that you can sustain a good scope of this field in future.
So currently I'm in this Internshala website where you can find different types of internships. Here I have given the category as UX UI design, and the design stipend is more than 10k. And also I have, if you are interested to work as unpaid ones, you can go for it. And I have given, we have some specifications here like this, we have internships with job offer, fast response, yearly applicant, internships for women. And I'll suggest you to go with internships with job offer so that you can get the job at the same place once you are done with the internship. So you don't need to search for it again, search for outside again. If you have performed well, of course they'll give you the job. So I think that is preferable from my side. You can choose your own. And there are lots of listings there. I'm going into one by one now. So number 1 is UX UI design internship in Bangalore at No Broker Technology Solutions Private Limited. So this is here, they have the immediate start date and the duration is 3 months and stipend is around 35,000 per month and apply date is by 2nd September 2022. And we have 73 applicants for it. So better and also it is an internship with job offer. So you can go for it. And one more important thing you need to notice is who can apply for this. Read this through before you apply for any internship. So we have perks as well here: certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, informal dress code, 5 days a week, free snacks and beverages, and we have job offer as well. So go through these perks because these are more important, and sometimes internships might have 6 days per week, so better you can notice it before joining. Another one is UX research internship in Bangalore at IMEMS. So stipend is around 11,000 per month, and 4th September you need to apply for it. The requirements are already there. Another one is UX UI graphic design internship in Gurgaon. If you are ready to go to Gurgaon, you can apply for it. It's 10 to 15,000 per month. Another one is UX UI design work from home internship at SYMB Technologies. So it is duration is 6 months, stipend is around 5 to 10,000 per month. This is also the apply by date is 2nd September, and this is again an internship with job offer. So you can see the difference between a few of the applications, that this is internship and the previous one is internship with job offer. So yeah, go for the one that suits you. And we have 354 applicants for it. You have to put your hard work based on how many applicants we have. Another one is UX UI design internship in Delhi, Noida, EasyGom. You can check for different types of internships, different categories of internships here from various companies. So you can choose between the amount, desired stipend that you are looking for. Hope this was helpful.
And then the last one is break down the job listings. So whatever you find, wherever you find, try to break down the job listings as the overview of the role, location and responsibilities of the team, and details on the project that you're going to work on, specific requirements for the applicants, and the application process and details, and information on the company as a whole. So try to get those information from the job listing they have done, and then start making the cover letter based on it. Once all are done, you can also refer the platforms of Indeed. So that is also having a lots of UX UI internship programs openings, and you can start applying from there. And also you can go to AngelList, and also you can go to LinkedIn. There are also lots of internship programs are available. You can search from there. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. I tried to answer all the questions that you were having, at least few questions if not more. Hope you got some insights from this video. So if you want to get hired, install the Hirect application and go through it, search for the jobs and get settled with what you are looking for. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next one. Bye bye.